Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, then you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. Now, scroll through this list by swiping on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will need to download and install the HUAWEI Health application on your phone to use it to pair the devices together. And this part is quite tricky because we need to download the HUAWEI Health application through the HUAWEI App Gallery. And to download the App Gallery, we need to do it from the browser because we can't download it from the Play Store. So, open the web browser on your phone. It could be any browser. I'm gonna use Chrome. Once you open the browser, tap on search and type in appgallery.huawei.com. Basically this address, appgallery.huawei.com. Type it in and then tap on search. And it should direct you to this page. Once you're on this page, you should see this button right here in the top left corner, the download button. Tap on it. Then tap on Install Gallery, App Gallery. And tap on Download. I already downloaded this app, as you can see. It's asking me if I want to download it again. I'm gonna tap on Download again. And let's wait until it's done. And after the file is being downloaded, you will see file downloaded right here, and you can tap on open to open it, or if you miss it, you can tap on the options menu icon, tap on downloads, and you should see the app right here on the list. You can tap on it then, and if you see this message on the screen, tap on settings, allow the installation of unknown apps from the browser by tapping on the switch. Then you will see the pop-up about the installation. Tap on install. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. Okay, and as you can see, we opened the app gallery. Tap on next, agree, allow or deny the permission. I recommend to allow it. And here we have it. This is the App Gallery, the HUAWEI App Gallery. Now tap on search and type in HUAWEI Health. And tap on search. And you should see this application, HUAWEI Health, at the top. Tap on the install button. If you see this pop-up, tap on settings. Allow the installation from this source. Go back. Come on. Okay. Tap on install button again next to HUAWEI Health and wait until it's done downloading. Then tap on install and it's gonna start installing. So let's wait until it's done. After the application is done installing, you will see the open button right here, and you can tap on it to open the app. And here we have it. Now we need to select the region. To do it, tap on here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Then tap on next, tap next, agree, the app will reboot, allow or deny the permission, and you should see the health page. Now tap on devices. Here you should see the devices page, and on it you should see add device button. Tap on it, select it while using the app, and the app will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch. And here we have it. Tap on link, and sometimes you may be asked to log in into HUAWEI ID account. If you don't have an account, tap on register and make a new one. And if you have the account, simply fill in the information and log in. So give me a couple of seconds. I'm gonna log in into my account. Okay. After you log in, the app will reboot again, as you can see. And after it does, tap on devices again, tap on that device, select the watch, basically tap on link next to it and wait. Here allow the permission. Let's wake up the screen on the watch. Oh, never mind, it popped out. So basically when you see the pairing request on the watch, tap on the check mark. Okay, and here we can check the boxes to automatically download update packages over the WLAN, or you can also check the box to auto-install updates and restart the devices when it's not in use. So check the boxes if you want, and then tap on continue. Then tap on done, tap on continue. Here we can enable the notifications. So if you want to see the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to enable them. And if you don't care, you can tap on cancel here and then tap on done and tap on OK to confirm. If you want to enable the notifications, let me go through this pop-up first. If you see this pop-up on the screen, the pair and connect, tap on pair and connect and then tap on pair. Okay, now let's go back to the notifications. So if you want to enable the notifications, you had option enabled there. As you can see, disappeared for now, but we can tap on switch right here. And once you tap on enable, it will redirect you to this page. Tap on the screen and then find the Huawei Health application on the list. Tap on it and tap on the switch next to allow notification access to enable it. And then go back to the Huawei Health application by tapping on back button. And as you can see, the notifications are turned on, and we can turn on and off the notifications for specific apps. And once you're done, tap on done, tap on OK, allow or deny the permissions, then tap on OK, and at this point you should see your watch on the basically device page. You can have the device page for your watch, and also your watch should be ready to use. So if you skip this message, you can use your watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.